custody.
Since his arrest, George Wagner IV has maintained his innocence. The defense team claims he was not a triggerman when 8 members of the Rhoden family were shot and killed execution style in April 2016. Jury selection is now underway, and in a county of less than 28,000, there likely won't be anyone in the pool who isn't familiar with the case. The first 5 potential jurors questioned each had a connection to either the Rhoden or Wagner family. The first, a 23-year-old woman, went to school with the 3 younger victims, siblings Hannah, Christopher Jr., and Frankie. When the woman was asked if she would be able to handle seeing crime scene photos involving people she knew, she said, "I don't think it is something I can handle." She was dismissed. Another potential juror lived in Butler County during the massacre, but she said her stepmother used to work with victim Dana Rhoden. Although that potential juror now works for a police department in Pike County and knows prosecutor Rob Junk, she remains in the pool. Another who made the cut said he went to school with victims Christopher Rhoden Sr. and attended church with Dana. A man in his 50s was excused, not because his family had purchased horses from the Wagner family. He grew up close to the crime scenes. He said it's what everybody in the entire county talked about. He said he has heard too much and can't be unbiased. During the trial, which is scheduled to begin at the end of the month, we expect George Wagner's mother, Angela, and brother Jake to testify. If they fulfill that part of their plea deal, the death penalty could be taken off the table as part of George Wagner's sentencing if he's convicted.
But, as it stands right now, this is still considered a death penalty case if convicted. So that's why the jurors are really being questioned about their views on the death penalty. They have to be what's called death certified. And this whole entire process of this part of the jury selection is expected to take between 2 and 3 weeks. Reporting live tonight in Pike County, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.